Does flex tape work? We're about to find out. Now here I got myself another project going on, and it is a trash can lid. It's cracked, damaged, as you can see here from the outside, and it's a 96-100-gallon trash can bin. As we open it up, as you can see coming out, I tried to repair it a year or 2 years ago, but it failed on me. We're about to find out if this flex tape will work on it. A couple things to mention. It just says on the directions that it has to be clean, workable surface. So I'm going to try to take off all this mesh off. So I'm going ahead and measure this tape to the length of this. It might be in patches, it might be a couple cutaways, but it is going to be on there. And then I have the trash can on the ground, on the floor, so it doesn't go up and down. But we'll get started. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be kind of flimsy at first, but it is really thick. This stuff is really, really thick. So now I'm gonna use some industrial scissors to cut it. It would have been smart to take off the backing, so it made it more difficult. So now that I took this plastic piece off, layer underneath it, should work better. It was sticking onto my scissors like no other. This is the real deal. I'm gonna take off the backing off of this. Now that I placed all the tape onto the trash can lid itself, inside of it, I'm gonna press firmly against all the edges. Like I said, it's not gonna be perfect, but this trash can isn't perfect, as you can see with all the bolts and the damage it has into it. You need its function. And that's what we need, functionality. The label itself said to wait 24 hours, and the longer you wait, the more harder it gets and the more better functional it gets. Even though it hasn't been 24 hours yet, it is in unbelievable condition. Obviously, it's not going to be the same as it was because we got it a little bit offside and it's risen up. But compared earlier to the video, look at that. Just amazing. I am going to give Flex Seal tape a big thumbs up. I approve. This is a great product. Now, over time, it's going to get harder and harder and just going to be on there really solid. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully, this helped you out on your next project. Thank you, subscribe, and give it a like.